Congratulations, you've saved your first $1,000. You feel like a king, right? You think the game is won. But in the real world, the final boss doesn't wait for you to be ready. A sudden medical bill, a car engine failure, or a broken laptop. These aren't just inconveniences. They are random encounters designed to drain your HP. In an instant, you're not sitting on a throne. You're falling. Down into the dark. Welcome to the Debt Trap Dungeon. Escaping this place isn't about how fast you run. It's about how strong your armor is. Look around you. These corridors are filled with rusty chains labeled 20% interest. Every day you stay here, those chains get heavier. You need Emergency Fund 2.0. It's no longer just a small stash of gold. It's a fortress. But to build it, you need a map. Look at your inventory. List every debt from the smallest goblin debt to the dragon high-interest credit cards. If you don't track them, you can't attack them. But here's where the dungeon gets tricky. Just as you start climbing out, a glowing treasure chest appears. 70% off seasonal sale. It looks like a reward for your hard work, right? You put on that golden robe. It feels good for a second, but then, clang, it's made of lead. Suddenly, the shadow of debt appears. It doesn't attack with fire, it attacks with minimum payments. It binds your hands and slows your movement. Your reward just became your prison. This is the moment most players give up. They think, I'll always be in debt, and they accept broke as their permanent status. Stop. Look at your reflection in the dungeon walls. Is this who you wanted to be? Remember video 1? You were a seeker of wealth, not a slave to interest. Real leveling up isn't about what you wear to impress other players. It's about what you control. Throw away that heavy robe. It's fake gold. Grab the budgeting blade. It's sharp, it's precise, and it's the only weapon that can cut through these chains. Every no you say to a useless purchase is a critical hit against the monster. Now, start climbing. Every step you take is a debt paid off. Can you feel that? Your inventory space is opening up. Your energy is returning. This isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about buying back your sleep, your time, and your future. Consistency is the most powerful mana potion in this game. It might feel slow at first, but momentum is a hidden stat that grows every single day. Don't look back at the dungeon. Look at the light above. You've done it. You're standing on the hilltop, and for the first time, the gold in your pocket actually belongs to you. Now, your money isn't just a survival tool for emergencies. It's a kingdom-building tool. You've mastered the hardest level, and you're finally ready for the ultimate quest, investing. But remember, many are still trapped down there. Share your dungeon story in the comments. How did you get out? Or are you still fighting? Let's help each other level up. I'm Pixel Wealth, and I'll see you at the next level.